Wow, what a show! Welcome to the Huawei SKE online event for utility scale solutions. My name is Thomas Contra, I'm Head of Marketing at SKE, and I'm so honored to guide you as host through this online event. Today is a day I've been looking for the last couple of weeks. Every once in a while, a revolutionary product comes along that changes everything on the market. And I'm so proud that today we can introduce two of them. But maybe let me have a few words to SKE before. SKE is Huawei FusionSolar partner for 15 countries in Central and Eastern Europe. Our sales team supports you before, during and after your purchase. From our 3 European warehouses, we ship thousands of orders to make sure that all local wholesale partners get the order products in time. But of course, we do not only sell and ship products, we also provide level 1 and 2 support to all the 15 countries we serve. On our website ske-solar.com, you can find all information to products and an easy-to-use service and support area. Manuals, data sheets, installation videos, all that can be downloaded with a single click of your mouse. Our utility scale team supports you on planning of big projects like grid design and everything you need to have a successful project. But let's talk about Huawei and PV business. Huawei products always have been defining standards in PV business new. Huawei is operating in more than 170 countries with more than 198,000 people working around the world. Huawei has been the global market leader the last 6 years with more than 160 gigawatts plus installed in the last couple of years. Huawei always has been a name standing for innovation. This is also a part of the philosophy of Huawei. More than 50% of people working at Huawei are in research and development. But let's go back a couple of years. 2014, with Huawei FusionSolar 1.0, Huawei is introducing industry's first string inverter with string level monitoring for ground-mounted large-scale PV systems. 2016, with FusionSolar 2.0 and FusionSolar 3.0, Huawei is introducing industry's first 1500 volt string inverter supporting PLC and 4G communications and intelligent O&M cloud center. 2018, FusionSolar 5 comes up with innovative smart IV curve diagnosis and industry's first intelligent convergence of solar energy and trackers. 2019, already with FusionSolar 6.0, Huawei introduces industry's first STS solution optimized for bifacial PV panels, providing innovative grid support with an intelligent algorithm. 2020, only 1 year later, Huawei introduces FusionSolar 6.0 Plus, industry's first intelligent string energy storage system with intelligent PV string disconnection and innovative power grid support. So today, for sure, we have got the strongest lineup in Huawei PV history. But Huawei would not be Huawei if that is all. And so today, we are introducing another 2 game-changing products in PV business. Here is my colleague, David, Director of Service and Solution at SKE, to tell us more about the first new product.
Thank you, Thomas, for the quick introduction. I'm very happy to be here, and as we heard from Thomas, we're going to introduce 2 new edge-breaking products today. First of all, we're gonna start with our Smart Transformer Station. STS solution, which is perfectly designed for medium voltage applications. But before I'm gonna introduce you more to this exciting product, I'm gonna show you a short video now. Wow, that was impressive, wasn't it? STS solution is perfectly designed for medium voltage scale application. Actually, we offer two different sizes, one being STS3000 with a nominal output rating of 3.15 megawatt. Second and larger solution has an actual rating of 6.3 megawatt. STS solution is perfectly designed to work together with our smart string inverters, as shown in the picture on the left. We feature SUN 2000 185 KTL H1, 215 KTL H0, 215 KTL H3. All of them are supporting 800 volt AC grid configurations and 1500 volt DC system voltage, helping to reduce levelized cost of energy. On top of those two products, we got our smart PV management system platform, which we call FusionSolar. Our smart PV inverters are perfectly designed to match together with STS Smart Transformer Solution. In the product portfolio, we got our 185 KTL H1, we got the 215 KTL H0 and the 215 KTL H3, which I will introduce a bit later on to you. STS can be customized according to your needs. You can select whatever medium voltage you want to have, perfectly matching up with the step-up station that you can see in the back. On top of those products, we also got our smart PV management system, which we call FusionSolar. FusionSolar is the management platform to monitor and to control all your devices in that system. So just to summarize what we discussed and why we call it a one-stop solution. One-stop delivery. You have to deal with just one partner. In your case, this is SKE and Huawei, what simplifies the commercial interface. You got a standardized design. STS solution comes in a prefabricated 20 feet container, what makes it easy for you to plan and to install. And this is what we call quick and simple installation. Next, one-stop service. Very important. You got just a unified service interface, as we talked about, smart PV management FusionSolar system. So you got all your system information in one single platform. Globalized service platform and rapid and professional response by professionals as we provide within SKE. And last but not least, one-stop management. As mentioned before, all devices, all systems, and all your operation and management teams work in just one single platform. That means one screen for all, a unified management. And this makes the system so simple, so easy to use, and this is why we call it one-stop solution. So now let's focus more on the key product highlights from STS Smart Transformer Solution. As we said, it's simple to install. It comes as a prefabricated and pre-tested 20 feet container. So there is absolutely no need for internal cabling on site. Reliable. It offers pretty robust design against any harsh environments. And the optimal cooling design allows for high availability and easy operation maintenance. It's smart. It's just simply smart. Real-time monitoring of the transformer, of the low voltage panel, and the medium voltage switchgear, all through our monitoring platform, what we heard before. High precision sensors of the low voltage electricity parameters, enabling you to get a better understanding of what's going on inside your system. Remote control capabilities for your ACBs and medium voltage circuit breakers. And last but not least, a very smart eco-design transformer suitable for almost everything. Lower self-consumption for higher yields. Now let's take a look on our STS solution, what it offers. As mentioned before, it's our prefabricated, pre-configured and pre-tested solution for medium voltage application, coming inside a 20 feet container, as you all know. So we got all the components inside one box. Shown on the left, we also provide corrosion protection in accordance with C4 and C5 standards. What does that mean? C4 and C5 standard means the product is perfectly designed for very harsh environments, close to coastal regions with salty conditions. So what's inside the box? Let's have a closer look. The low voltage panel, which is on the left of the container. Right in the middle, we got our medium voltage transformer, and on the right, we got our auxiliary power supply, transformer, and the board. And last but not least, we got our medium voltage switchgear. As shown before, the container is divided in 3 different sections. So all the sensitive components are completely sealed from the outside, isolating dust, pollution, and any humidity. This helps ensuring a higher availability and environmental adaptability. As you can see, the air is just circulating in these two different sections. No filter design. That allows for easy maintenance. So no one needs to go on site checking filters on a frequently basis. This also helps reducing operation and maintenance costs. So the only thing that you have to consider is going on site for an annual visual inspection that will likely take about 15 minutes. Just visual inspection and see if the filters are clogged or not and whether or not they need to be replaced. So very smart design. When talking about medium voltage applications, we also have to consider about protection level against lightning. A lot of PV systems are hit by a lightning strike, but also we, as Huawei, offer right solutions, perfectly providing you with the right solutions. As you can see now, is that our inverters provide type 2 DC surge arrestor capabilities on the DC side as well as on the AC side. But what about our STS solution? STS solution also comes up with the same feature and even more. So we got type 1 plus type 2 surge protection by default. And on the medium voltage side, our solution is provided with anti-explosion type medium voltage circuit breakers already included by default. Now let's have a look on some technical specifications about Huawei STS solution. As mentioned before, we offer two different sizes of STS solution. One being with 3150 kVA output power. The second one is STS6000 with 6300 kVA output power. As mentioned before, STS solution perfectly fits together with our high voltage inverters, what means 800 volt AC input voltage. So we got our compatible inverter lineup, as mentioned before, with the 185 kTL, 215 kTL, H0 and H3. Also shown here in the table is that STS offers connections for up to 18 inverters and STS6000 for 36 inverters. Also mentioned before is the option to customize STS solution according to your needs in terms of the medium voltage rating. So we offer different options ranging from 10 kV up to 35 kV, both in 50 Hz and 60 Hz application. STS solution is already certified in accordance with several standards, also applicable for your markets. Also, what we talked about is surge protection rating with type 1 and type 2 included. We will see this a bit later on in which harsh environmental conditions we can use STS solution because of its operating temperature range, what goes from -25 degrees C up to 60 degrees C. Dimensions, standard 20 feet container, and IP protection rating is IP54, what means you can just really put STS solution directly out in the field. No more additional protection against your weather is necessary. So as shown in the video, we got a global proven track record with many systems installed around the world with more than 10 gigawatt plus installation capacity in more than 23 countries. But let's have a closer look at some of those installations and see what had been the main reason for customers to decide towards Huawei solution. Let's start with Mexico. So here we got a nice installation in Tijuana, Mexico. Total capacity 144 megawatt. System was completed and commissioned back in April 2019. As you can see on the photo, it's right located in the desert. High temperatures of 45 degrees C. So what had been the reason for customers to decide for Huawei solution? One being one-stop solution for desert environments. A prefabricated and pre-tested solution within a 20 feet container. So the customer just only had to prepare the concrete platform to put STS solution on it. Easy transportation and no need for internal cabling on site. What makes it easy for the guys on site to do the installation. But Mexico is not Mexico. So here's another example in Mexico. Capacity 233 megawatt. Commissioned back in February 2020. The system is located right in the mountains. So, but why had customer decide to choose Huawei solution over other products? For sure, it provides an innovative end-to-end one-stop solution, and that doesn't just only mean it's about the transformer. No, it's also about the complete solution, including our inverters. All the product features M-bus communication, what makes it easy from the installation point of view. So no need to run additional wires between STS solution and the inverters. Just simply use the existing wires. And last but not least, smart curve IV diagnosis technology. What does that mean? Huawei solution offers you a smart algorithm by just simply clicking on one button, and you will get all the information out of your system. So we do a complete analysis of your PV system, of the modules, and by thus can detect failures in the system. So but now let's see and look for some other countries like installations in Vietnam. This system has a capacity of 58 megawatt, was commissioned in June 2019, and reason being for the customer to select Huawei solution was just simply it's located nearby a lake, so we got a high temperature there, high humidity environments, and customer just wanted a solution which can survive in these harsh environmental conditions. Another very nice project. Floating PV becomes even more important as of today. Capacity here of the system was 50 megawatt, commissioned in December 2020, and reason for customer to select Huawei solution was just simply because of the corrosion protection. As we talked before, C4 and C5 corrosion level, what means you can also use this STS solution even in floating PV scenarios. So, last but not least, let's see another nice installation in Cambodia. PV system size of 80 megawatt. Commissioning was done in March 2019. Reason for the customer and the value that the solution provides, it's just simply one-stop solution for extreme environments. High temperature, high humidity and dusty environments, as it's again located right in the middle of the desert. So again, this is not a new solution from Huawei. We already got global proven track record with more than 10 gigawatts of installation in more than 23 countries. So now we are already at the end of my presentation of the first part. So I'm closing the first part here and welcome back Thomas here on stage.
This was David, Director for Service and Solution at SKE. Thank you for the amazing presentation of the new STS solution. But this was just the first part of our today's presentation. In the second part of our presentation, we show Huawei's answer how to use our green energy whenever needed. Please stay online. See you.